Let's start with the good news here. Russian security forces report that ammunition continues to be detonated at the warehouse in Rostov at FSB building. Also, next to ammunition, fuel with tanks is burning. Rescuers require body armor to protect themselves from debris. The fire covered more than 800 square meters.
А там вояки. Вояки, да. Там пожар горит внутри. Ебало пиздец.
And Russian soldiers are sent to finish digging trenches at the front lines. They were terrified to find out that the previous batch of recruits, those that begun to dig those trenches and whom they were supposed to be rotating with, have died, and some had been buried right on the position under their feet.
Вот, пожалуйста, позиции выдали нам. Короче, у меня таланы, кто знает, обувь такая. У меня траншея вот эта, у меня таланы были выше, чем которые нам выдали. Но это все фигня, мало того, что, короче, когда мы начали это все откапывать, ну вот, короче, чтобы вы понимали, откопали 200, вырыли. Короче, хочу я даже там смотреть. Короче, фигня. Так что все заебись, это заебательство. В черных, блядь, мешках закопаны, короче, везде ебать. Куда не пусть, куда не харкни, посмотрите. Везде что-то, сука, чтобы выкопали, блядь, по шее себе. А было, чтобы вы понимали, вот, я пальцем даже вам покажу. Вот такая высоты, вот было высоты, сука. Ага. И вот тут уже и выкопали 200, блядь.
For some reason, in the Luhansk region, the Russian liberators on a tank did not like that a civilian car was about to overtake them, and they abruptly turned the tank across the road. As a result, the driver and passengers of the car were seriously injured. One can feel the special love of the defenders of the Russian-speaking population for the inhabitants of Donbass. Can you imagine how much of this does not get on camera and just remains behind the scenes? And this is funny. Russian BM-27 Uragan MLRS attacks a Russian BM-27 Uragan MRLS from behind. And Ukrainian soldiers are showing that's one way to remove a mine.
В камыши кинь туда, в камыши, Чапа, закинь в камыши аж.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.